At the end of last year, the 076 amphibious assault ship, known as the Sichuan ship, was still under construction. But by the latter half of this year, it had already made its first voyage. The rapid development of this vessel has drawn attention both domestically and internationally, reflecting the remarkable efficiency of China's shipbuilding industry and technology and management. The Sichuan ship was launched in Shanghai and officially named as part of the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy by December 29, 2024. The main hull was completed, entering the next stage of outfitting and commissioning. Impressively, by November 14, 2025, less than a year after its launch, the ship had already left the dock for its first sea trials. This construction timeline of roughly 10 months is exceptionally fast for a large amphibious assault ship. In comparison, the U.S. Navy's latest amphibious assault ship, the Bougainville, launched in October 2023, remains in the outfitting stage 2 years later. Several factors contributed to this rapid pace. First, advanced construction techniques. Chinese shipbuilders have adopted digital twin technology and modular assembly methods, dividing the vessel into large sections built simultaneously in separate workshops with pre-installed equipment, then integrating them like a massive Lego set. This reduces both construction time and the complexity of subsequent outfitting. Second, a robust industrial system. China's large-scale, well-equipped shipbuilding infrastructure ensures a stable and efficient supply chain for materials and components, supporting rapid production of advanced warships. Third, mature technology integration. Although the 076 is the world's first amphibious assault ship to utilize electromagnetic catapult technology, the experience gained from prior platforms such as the Fujian aircraft carrier enabled a swift and smooth application of these innovations. The rapid construction and deployment of the Sichuan ship represents a significant leap in China's amphibious warfare capability. More importantly, it demonstrates the Chinese shipbuilding industry's ability to quickly translate advanced technologies into operational combat platforms, a crucial advantage for addressing modern maritime security challenges.